Okay, we know that whenever electric current flow in any conductor, it behaves like magnet. Just imagine if you hold, please don't hold, but imagine if you hold a current carrying wire, then what will happen? The current flow in your body. You also observe that high amount of current flowing wires can attract people or any metallic wire or any electrical conductive material from appropriate distance. It attract. It means that any electric current carrying wire attract other object, even our body also. So we can say that whenever electric current passes in conductor, this conductor behaves like magnet. And if current carrying conductor behaves like magnet, then it should have magnetic field lines. So here I write down a name of scientist, which is H.C. Ørsted, who was the first person to state that electric current has magnetic field. Electric current has magnetic field. So before this I will give you example of all the stuff this is related to that concept. So if current flowing conductor having magnetic field, it behaves like a magnet, hence we can say that electric current has magnetic field too. Okay, now the next concept is related to this chapter is right hand thumb rule. Okay, see what is right hand thumb rule. Just it is related to magnetic field. It is just related to magnetic field and current. Right now I understood an electric current produce magnetic field. Okay, so whenever electric current are there anywhere, if current are there, then magnetic field also are there. If magnetic fields are there, then current are there. Okay, so the next topic is right hand thumb rule. Okay, right hand thumb rule. See, this is my right hand. Okay, so these all four fingers indicates the direction of magnetic field, and this thumb indicates the direction of current. Okay, so this is anti-clock, just opposite to the direction of needle of clock. Okay, so from this way our clock is moving, our needle of clock minute second, and our hand of our clock is moving from this way. So it from this way we say that clockwise, and from this way it's said to be anti-clockwise. Okay, so if magnetic field, the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise, then the direction of current is in upward direction. Okay, and if the direction of magnetic field is clockwise, then we say that the direction of current is in downward. Okay, we can say also in this way, if the current flow upward direction, the magnetic field is anti-clockwise, and if the current flow downward direction, then we say that magnetic field is magnetic field is clockwise. Okay, so it is imagine that the holding a current carrying a straight conductor in the right hand, such the thumb is pointed toward the direction of current, then the fingers wrapped around conductor give the direction of magnetic field. Okay, so these all fingers indicate the direction of magnetic field, and this thumb indicate the direction of current. Okay, if you hold this way your hand, the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise, so the direction of current is upward direction. If your direction of magnetic field is clockwise, then the direction of current is in downward. Okay, so this is all about right hand thumb rule. Now the next concept, next topic of this chapter is if a straight conductor placed in a electric circuit, if a straight conductor placed in an electric circuit, what will happen? So first we know that first of all we know that any current carrying wire or any current carrying conductor, whether it is straight, circular, any type of shape, it behaves like magnet. It means that it produces magnetic field. If it produces magnetic field, it produces magnetic field line. So we need to draw a diagram containing a straight conductor. Okay, so first of all the topic is magnetic field due to magnetic field due to current through straight wire or conductor. Okay, so this is the topic, this is all about topic. Okay, so we need to draw this diagram of circuit. So this is diagram of electric circuit whenever a straight conductor is placed. See, this red rod is a straight conductor. This red rod is a straight conductor, and we take a surface in which we can explain the magnetic field. This is the surface, imaginary surface. Okay, oh, this is all about circuit in which the electric current passes through negative to positive. Okay, this is switch. Okay, once the electric current flow through this circuit, then this rod get some amount of charge into it, then it behaves like magnet. Whenever it behaves like magnet, it produces some amount of magnetic field, and we can see the magnetic field line of this straight conductor, current carrying a straight conductor, is circular magnetic field lines. We can say that a straight current carrying wire produce concentric circular magnetic field line. This is concentric circular magnetic field line. Whenever a straight conductor placed in any electric circuit, then it produces concentric circular magnetic field line. Okay, so this is all about magnetic field due to current through the straight conductor. Now the second most important thing in this topic is magnetic field is directly proportional to the strength of conductor. Magnetic field is directly proportional to the strength of conductor, strength of current. Okay, so if larger the amount of current flow through the circuit, larger the magnetic field. If lower the current flow in this circuit, in this conductor, lower the strength of, lower the magnetic field. So the current source is depend upon magnetic field. Okay. Now magnetic field is inversely proportional to the distance of conductor. Okay. If this magnetic field, and we talk about this magnetic field and this magnetic field, so this is near to this conductor, so the strength of this magnetic field is larger than this, because the distance between this one and this one is different. So the distance of magnetic field reduces the strength of magnetic field. So we can say that magnetic field is inversely proportional to distance from conductor. Magnetic field reduces when distance of conductor increases. Okay, this is all about the fact of magnetic field due to current through the straight conductor. Thank you.